Welcome back to another video of Shade of the Content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And we are on the ones and the twos today. We're on the ones and the twos
today.
Which
one do I look at?
Oh, you can do both. This one's like wide angle, like action cam, so we can show like this, cool stuff.
Okay,
it's wide angle, it's just kind of so I can work on some more different production. Kind of, liven it up, make some different shots, cut some different shots in there. So
spice it up a little bit.
Spice it up a little bit. You guys seen, well, if you haven't seen in my other video the other day that I just posted, it was like an overhead shot and it's me talking about how to spot fake transfers. So definitely go check out that video because it took me a while to get the right type of equipment and stuff like that. So yeah, it took a while to do that. So please go check out that video where I tell you guys, look out for fakes. Now this obviously is not a fake. This is a 22 by 36, or is this a 60?
No, that's a 36.
This is a 36, yeah.
Wait,
so this,
yeah, that's 36.
22 by 36. This is available for $24.99 if you're a member, $21.99. And yeah, you can gang it out like this. These images are huge. So what I did today, because we're going over our haul video, is I went on the computer and but when this video comes out on this tank image, this custom tank image that I made for me and Shelly. So this big one right here, and then Shelly, she's going with the tank green, right? This one right here. These images are available on the website for download, $10 each. They will drop after the fight, or maybe not. I don't know if he wins. They might stay the same because it's gonna be a hot item. So you can get the images right now, download them. I think I got like 4 or 5 different images that you can download. Some with like an actual tank on the side that we actually didn't print. So you can go get those. Those are available on the websites, like I said, for the PNG. And you're gonna get, I think those are $10 each. Or you could just buy a gang sheet for, I think it's 15 bucks. I think I got a pre-made gang sheet up there for 15 bucks with 4 images. They're all sized like, I think 11 and 10, and I think only one is 10. I think the rest are like 11 and 12. They're really big, and they come in a 22 by 24 pre-made gang sheet, and they're gonna come with 4 images, 2 black ones, 2 army green ones, and 2 with tanks and 2 without the actual tank on the side. So please go check that out. And the video of how I made these will also be out. So by the time you see this video, there will be other videos out showing how I made these images using Canva and AI and kind of whipped them up. It did take me a long time. And then Shelly, she helped out a lot because she came up with the Army font, which I got this font from Canva. So I got this font right here from Canva. And then I had to bring it into AI and kind of make it transparent, and then bring it into Photoshop and then make it so it's a cutout. So whenever we press these, which we will be doing that as well, I put a tank in the words, a silhouette of a tank in the words, and then it's also transparent. So once we press it on these black shirts that we got from Avivia, that's how this video started. I was at Avivia, now we are here. The black will show through this image and this image. So it's just really a lot of high, even this Michael Jackson image as well. This is designed for a black t-shirt and the black will show through. So I'm gonna stop rambling and we just...
You're not rambling, you're informing,
right.
You're educating.
I'm informing, I'm educating.
Yeah.
Yeah, just wanted to let you guys know about our product. Again, we offer the 22 by 24, so the traditional gang sheet, 22 by 24, which is this right here. So 22 by 24 for how much, babe?
$19.99, and if you're a member, $16.99.
$16.99. So we wanted to fit everything. Daddy wanted Big Daddy, I wanted a big.
So this is 12 by 14, 12 and a half by 14 and a half, I believe. So this is 14. I would recommend for 2X, 3X, 4X, the larger sizes. As you can see, I think it might have been a little too big for you at 2X, but if you like big and bold, you can go big and bold, but that is definitely big and bold. And this one was what?
10.
Oh,
no, 8.
8 by 10.
The kids were 8, yep,
yeah,
8 by 10.
Yeah, mm-hmm.
Yeah, do I got the, what I do with my ruler?
It was right there.
It was right
here.
here.
What you did.
Oh, it's right there, my bad. Yeah, so these are for the kiddos. We got some killing everyday ones. Yep, so this is a 8 by 10.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Yep. So which is a perfect kid size. Our kids are 10 and 11 years old. They're growing really fast. So we think 8 by 10 is great. What is yours, babe? Because you're an adult female, but you're only 5'1". So.
I don't know. You got the ruler. Let's check it out.
We
I don't
are
remember.
About 11 and a half.
11 by 8.
Yeah, 11 by.
Oh no, 10.
Oh.
What are we at?
Oh, I think we might be. What are we? 10 and a half. 10 and a half.
We're big and bold.
Yeah, we're big and bold. Yeah, so baby girl, she got a 10 because we wanted big graphic tees. So that's the reason why we wanted to go really big. Well, especially for me, I want to go really big. The image is kind of square, but you can go really big on a t-shirt. And again, check out the videos on Flash Custom Transfers where Chelly will press hers on Straight Outta Content. I will press mine because the fight is Saturday. Today is actually Thursday. So the big fight is Saturday. I know people will say, hey, man, you got any Ryan Garcia images? I don't know if I'm going to do any.
What? Who's asking for Ryan Garcia?
Somebody, you know what I mean? It's a
Really?
big community out there. You know what I mean? So, nah, there are a lot of people asking for Ryan Garcia.
You should have made one.
Nah, I'm good. 49ers, that's like making a Cowboys.
And what did I say?
I don't know.
What did I say?
I don't know. What did you say?
You can't be a hater your whole life.
I don't gotta hate. I'm riding with Tank. What
We
you talking
tried
about?
to provide a service. You
What I gotta hate
put
for?
personal
Nah,
feelings
hey,
in
listen,
this.
it's my business. I can do what the hell I want to do. But listen, I'll print a Ryan Garcia, but nobody sent in any.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But let's go through the haul that we got, because we're gonna be making these shirts. A lot of people ask, what are you guys gonna do? Or do you guys press shirts and stuff like that? We do offer, you can actually go to the website and get a quote, but we have a 24 minimum or 25 minimum if you want like us to press your shirts at the warehouse. This right here, this is just for video purposes so that we can wear and match for the fight. But I got, oh, this is your medium. Oh, that's the color I got you.
Thank
Hey, look,
you.
oh, it's on the phone. I took a picture, it's a new color.
This one?
Yeah,
I like
it says
it.
new and everything. Yeah, that's exactly what it
I
says.
love
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
I
I was
like
like, good. What do they got? And then, so I can't film in Avivia because they always play music and it's not YouTube friendly. So I just filmed my intro, which you guys saw in the beginning of this video, and then now we're here. And how much did all of this cost? We actually had to pay taxes too.
$33.34.
$33.34. And how much is each Gildan Soft Style?
Gildan Soft Style are $3.75 a piece.
Okay.
The 2X Gildan Soft Style is $5.89,
Yep.
and then the Gildan Cotton is $2.59.
Yes, the kids.
Where did you get those? Oh, the kids.
The kids' regular Gildan shirts. So unfortunately, they don't make Gildan Soft Style in kids' shirts, but I mean, it's a kid, so all they're gonna do is get it messed up anyway. But for me and Chelly, we love Gildan Soft Style. So for the price of, it's $5 for Bella Canvas, right?
Oh, I don't know.
Right?
You got Lou a large too?
Yeah, because she likes them kind of baggy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Lulu likes the shirts kind of baggy, so I just got the kids the same. I'm not trying to
Yeah.
be picky. I think I might have threw in a medium. I thought I was gonna get a medium large to kind of see how it fit her better, but I was like, nah, I'll just get her.
Oh, you got two more shirts?
What you
Two
mean?
more X's?
Yeah, I have a list. I got two. I got this one and this one.
Oh, because you got two upstairs.
Two upstairs for the
okay,
backup
okay,
suit.
okay.
Because remember, I printed those John Jones ones.
Yeah.
And I got something else.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, this is a good haul. I'm excited. Are we gonna do pressing it on this video that we're doing, or is it gonna be separate?
No, this video right here is just to let people know, and again, we're not gonna take up too much of your time, but just to let people know about our 22 by 24, 22 by 36, which is this sheet that you're looking at right here, and then also our 22 by 60 DTF. You guys know we've been doing a lot of videos on UV DTF, so I felt it was great opportunity to kind of come back to the traditional OG DTF.
Bring it back to the basics. And don't forget, we do print for small businesses. I know you guys see individuals by the gang sheet, but if you are a small business out there and you have sales have picked up and you're looking for a manufacturer, someone to supply and distribute, please don't forget that we manufacture DTF as well, and would be more than happy to be your DTF supplier. So don't forget. And also, no order is too big or too small for Flash Custom Transfers.
Yes, no order. Definitely not too small because we don't have any minimum.
So 1 sheet or 500 sheets a week, whatever you want,
Yes,
we can handle.
Yep, and the more sheets that you order, the lower your price will get. And for those small businesses out there, we want to print for you. So definitely consider becoming a member, because that's going to drop all of your prices down where it's going to, really impact your bottom end.
Maximize your profit
Maximize
margin.
your profits.
You will get discounts off of DTF, UV DTF, shipping, and expedited shipping.
Yes.
And if you are a member, you get free shipping over all orders over $200.
Yes.
So definitely have some amazing incentives with our membership. And that link will be down below as well if you want to go ahead and take a look at all those details.
And what's it called? We want to print, what's the slogan? We want to print for your business?
We print for small business.
Yes, we print for small businesses. So I'm going to be saying that a lot more. Chelly's the one who kind of really was like, hey, babe, we got to let people know, because we do it. She's doing so much work. And then it was yesterday, right? When you just randomly text me? He was like, babe, we got to let people know because, and she's right. We get in these videos and we just talk about the product, but we really don't let you know that and Miss Kelly, and that's the reason why we've actually been going to a lot of businesses recently. And she was like, y'all need to quit traveling.
Mrs. Stell, shout out to her. She says, y'all need to quit traveling to Texas and send me my order.
That's so funny. But yes, that's the reason why we want to start going to different small businesses to let everybody else out there know, like Chelly had touched on. Let us be your manufacturer. Let us print for all the small businesses out there, all of you out there, please. That's the reason why we're here. And don't forget, with us, you get the best customer service. I really want to touch on that. I had somebody else. What was the question that they asked you in the video?
I get asked a lot of questions.
Can they get the picture to screen? Can they screen? Can they use
They are
the
very new,
yeah,
so they are just starting. And we get a lot of people who are new. I'm gonna say 100% of our customers come from YouTube.
Yes.
So everyone sees our videos, and we make it look so easy, seem so seamless, and they're excited to try it. They know that we will help them. They know we provide something, and they know they want it. So there's a lot of details that go into it as far as the right type of format, rastering, vectorizing, dimensions. There's so many that goes into it that we are able to help you and hold your hand. So it just kind of refreshing when some people are so new and they have no idea about this industry, have no idea where to start or what to say. They just know they want it. So this one client today was like, I'm new. I forgot what it was, but I just need this so I can screen print it on my shirt or something like that.
With my heat press.
They said they have their own heat press and they just want to screen print this. And it's just kind of, I shared it with my husband with a little chuckle because it's like, they don't even know the difference between DTF. And, and it's our job to educate them. It's our job to make them feel comfortable that they're not lost. And I think I do a great job at that. So, well, definitely, I haven't got to finish the email up, but I'm sure by the end of it, they'll really understand the process and the product.
And if you go to a company and they don't give you the type of customer service or they're not there to help you out through the entire process, just reconsider another one. So that's what's kind of, I'm not gonna make this video too long, but that's really what's happening in the industry because a lot of comments came through in the video yesterday when I put, how to look for the fakes out there, how to look for the different transfers out there, and everybody's popping up with a brand new, everybody's going to buy these machines and then they're popping up and they're doing all types of transfers and they're trying to get your business. But then whenever you call, it's not a solidified business. We've been doing this 2.5 years now, give or take, 2.5 years, had our own store, now just do it from at home in the warehouse. But if the customer service isn't there, then please consider, even if you finish your purchase with them, still reconsider moving forward with that company, even some of the big ones. Because what's going on now, and this is how we separate ourselves, is you send us your image, and then if there's any types of flaws in your image, we stop the process. It doesn't get printed. Other companies just move forward. And again, we have that option, right? We can streamline. It will make our lives so much easier if you want to touch on that.
Yeah, no, some people get frustrated because they are not used to someone stopping the process because of the resolution or because there's an issue. They're so used to submitting, printing, being unhappy with the product.
Yes.
You know what I mean? They're used to this cycle. So when we stop, they're like, why has this not been printed? And I'm like, you have to approve your file, whatever the case may be. So we really take those extra steps and it will delay the process, but it's all advantageous for all of us. So you're happy, we're happy, everyone's on the same page, and you get the highest quality product. And that's what our goal is, to give you the highest quality product with the highest quality customer service.
Yes. If you want McDonald's, those companies exist. If you want Chick-fil-A,
I do want Chick-fil-A, actually.
Okay, great. That sounds good. I'm down. All right, we're going to go get some Chick-fil-A. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Be basic. Peace. You ain't got to tell me
that's
twice.
All I gotta say.
That's all you got to say.
Like,
Polynesian, shut all of this down. Chick-fil-A, peace out, guys. We hungry.
My wife's going to let me eat out.
My wife's going to let me eat out. Spend a couple dollars. Let's go.